Is your localized application logic apps broken by the Ssc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we get into the manual guide for Ssc Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Ssc Library, associated with specialized Sony audio software suites, like SoundForge or legacy mobile sync tools. It manages the localized sound processing pipeline. If missing, the software will report sound device initialization failed, or will be unable to open .wave and .mp3 files for editing. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Since Ssc Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Application Logic Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Ssc Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Ssc Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Ssc library references. If Ssc Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.